Everyone, welcome back to gomstechtalks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we are going to see how to create a power apps based on the business central data. So Microsoft Power Platform is made up of four key products. Okay, so what are those products? Which is Power Apps. Okay, apps is used to create applications. Next one is Power Automate, which is used to automate the boring stuff or repeated task for requesting workflows and everything. Power BI, which is used to create some business insight, analytics, everything with a chart and visualization. And finally, Power Virtual Agent, which is used to create a chatbot. So in this, we'll be understanding of on the Power Apps. Okay, we will learn what is Power Apps and how. I'll not go in detail with Power Apps. I'll show you how the Power App Studio looks like, and I'll show you how to connect a Business Central to the Power Apps. In the next video, we will see how to connect Power Automate with Power Apps. Okay. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks channel, where you can find all the videos related to Business Central, Functional Consultant, Technical Consultant. Here, this is for functional. And here you can see this for interview question. This is mini project, and this is for technical consultant into Business Central technical developers. So here you can access, I'll be updating these playlists every week. Okay, at least one video every week on all these playlists, so you can watch it. And if you want to join as a member, here you can click join and join as a member, where you will get exclusive access to the perks, the documents, PDFs, books. So you can connect with me, and you can learn a lot of things. So this is what my Business Central technical consultant, that is the Business Central developers tutorial. So here you can find more information, more data. So I'll be updating this every week. So let us first go to Power Apps. So Power Apps is a rapid low-code development environment for building custom applications for business needs. Though I'm not going to go in detail with all these Power App and what is Power App, what is Power Automate and everything. I'll be showing you how to launch Power App and what are the things which are there in the Power App, what are the basic things which needs to be covered. Okay, so it has services. Power App has its own services. It has its own connectors and scalable data services and app platform to allow simple integration and interaction with existing data. Power Apps enables you to create a web and mobile based application that run on all devices. So basically Power App is like application. So you can see that is in your mobile phone, you'll be using some apps, right? You'll be downloading apps. Likewise, you can create apps for business. Okay, so Power App is a suite of apps, services, and everything. So here you can see this is Power App. If you want to launch Power App, just go and type app.powerapp.com. So it will launch, it will open, it will ask you to sign in. So you can sign in using the Power Apps, the same mail ID which you are using it here. So here you can see there is a lot of thing on the left side, which is a home. If you want to create a Power App, you can create it here. This is the learn, this is existing apps, these are the tables, flows and solutions. I'm not going to go in detail here. Okay, so here you can just click create. Okay, so in the left side I'm just showing, if you just click create, you can see that there are a lot of options. So you can use any connector to connect with. Connector in the sense, see, this is your Power Apps. Okay, and this is your data, this is your place where data is residing. Assume that my data is residing in BC. So if you want to connect your BC and Power App, you need some connector. Okay, that is what all about the connectors. So let us just click here, more data source. You can see there is more data source. You can just go and select more data source. It will take you to connect with the more data sources. What are the data sources which are basically available. Okay, so let us wait for this to launch. So here you can see it will show you some data sources. You can just go and check here, like you can just go and search for business central. So this is here you can see two dynamics 365 business central. So this is on premise. So those business you have, if you have installed business central in your laptop as a software, okay, on premises, and this is a cloud based business central. So click here dynamics 365 business central and click create. Okay, it will ask you for the authentication. You have to, it will authorize you. Okay, and it will just to find whether you are the correct person who are trying to authorize here. You have to sign into your your account through which you are using the power app. Okay, so once it is done, you have to click allow access here. Okay, so once if you click allow access, you can see there is an allow access option. So once you have allowed the access, it will connect. You can, here you can see it's connected. Okay, so it is connected and it is showing you what are all the thing which you have. See, you have various companies, right? So the first one is, this is BC demo test, Cronus, this is my company, this is BCIN2, this is BCIN data migration. So these are all the various company which I have connected, created for this particular thing. So let me just go and select here BCIN2 Cronus. So BCIN2 is the environment name. So here you can see this is BCIN2 and this is the company name. If your company name is called ABC, then it will be like, here you can see it will be like BCIN2, which is the environment hyphen ABC. Okay, so you have to select the exact company very clearly. So I'm just selecting BCIN2 Cronus here. So it will just go and fetch what are the table which I have from Cronus. So it will go and collect all these tables and it will show me what are the tables I have. So this is for, you have to choose the table. Okay, so these are all the default table which I have, Microsoft tables which are there. Okay, so you can select from here location, item categories, file dimension, customers. So let us just create for the customers and click connect. So what it is happening is, what Power Apps is creating a application for me. What it will do, Power App will automatically create three basic screens for us. So screen is like whenever you open an app. So the first is whatever you are seeing as the first one, which we call it as a welcome screen. And then if you just click on any other specific link, it will just move on, right? So that is what you can you can see here on the left side. You have three screens. Okay, one is the browse screen, second one is the detail screen, and third one is the edit screen. So this is what the browse screen option. So here you can see you have various options here. Okay, and if you click on this detail screen in the left side, it will show you the details, and if you click on the edit screen here, it will show you the editing screen as well. So for example, if I wanted to change this particular gallery, okay, this is what the gallery, to something else. So you can, in the left side, you can see there are various elements, right? So here you can see there are various elements. If you wanted to learn more about Power Apps, so please leave the message, I can help you, because here I cannot teach you more about Power Apps because it will take a longer time, and that is not in this video scope. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, please let me know. I'll just show you simple editing. Okay, just click here, click on the browse gallery. So here you can see, if you wanted to increase the zooming, if you want to zoom it, so please go and click here. Okay, so it is showing that the first one is what the title, okay, modified by, and the station road. So if you wanted to change something like this, okay, like for example, I want image with the title and title and everything. So you can see here that it is showing image and title. Okay, if you want to change it like title, only title and subtitle, then you can also see that the title and subtitle alone will be there. So you can see here the various options. Okay, and if you want to change the theme as well, if you want to change the theme from here, like how it is looking, this screen, this color I don't want, you can, if you want to change the theme, you can change it here easily. If you want to play and see how this data is exactly performing, just click here, just click the play button here. So it will show you like this is what the data, how it looks like. Okay, and if you click on any one data, it will take you to the detailed screen. And if you want to edit this, you can just simply go and edit this 10,000 to 10,001. And you can also select if you want to display the name as company name something. Okay, so you can just edit it and click save. Okay, and where it will be saved back to the business central as well. Okay, it will be because we have connected through the connector, right? So on the top you can see the progress bar is moving, so it is progressing. And once it is saved, it is showing you that this is what the name that is which we have saved it, and the display name. Okay, you can go back and see whether the display name and everything has changed. And also you can look here. Okay, if you just open the customers. Okay, if you open the customer, it is opening. So you can see here the very first thing will be 10,000, right? So now it has changed to 10,001, and here it is called as the company name. So you can see, always a people or a business owner who cannot carry business central in to their workplace. Okay, so anything if they wanted to do it dynamically using the mobile app, so you can create it as an application and make it possible. And once if you click here, so if you just click here, and you can see if you want to delete, even if you want to delete this customer, you can simply select here delete. You can, it, that will be deleted. Okay, so basically this basic operations, these basic functionalities will be automatically added by power apps itself. So you can see here there are three screens. One is browse screen, detail screen, and edit screen, which will be there by default. And you can see here that the code for that as well, because power apps is a low code no code app. The code for that itself is created, it's also always by default it is created by power apps itself. Okay, and once if you have selected this detail screen, and if you click on this edit screen, you can see what is the code which is written here. So if you want to know more about this code, like how to write this and how to create my own application connecting with business central right from the beginning, you can just leave me a message, you leave the comment, I will definitely help you out, like how to create it perfectly connecting with business central. Okay, so on the edit screen also, if you want to change, if you want to add few more data into it, you can add it. All these things are possible. And you can see that if you click the tick button is to submit the form. So if you have any query, this is how you can connect business central and power apps. And I'll also show you how to connect business central and the power automate. Or also I'll show you what is the power automate and what are the things which you can do with the help of a power automate as well. So you may have some simple questions. Why should I connect Power App with Power Business Central? So the very first question, very first answer was customization and extension. So Power Apps allows you to build custom applications without writing extensive code. By connecting Business Central, you can create tailored apps to meet specific business needs and extend the functionality of Business Central without making extensive modification to the core system. And power app is a user friendly interface. So what I did was, what simply I have connected and I have selected the table. What happened is, what it has created my default three screens. If you want to just extend this functionality, you can do this. And rapid app development is possible with power apps because power app is a low code development environment. Okay, and you can access the business central data here itself. Even if once if you have completed this and published this, you can download this app in your mobile phone and connect it through the business central. And there is an improved user experience is there, mobile and cross platform compatibility is there, automation and workflow is also there, reporting and analytics is possible, integration with other services. So here you can see that in power apps, even in from power apps you can connect with multiple services. Okay, so here you can see that the left side you can see you can connect with power automate. Okay, and if you wanted to bring in power bi value into it, see mixed reality, you can add mixed reality here in power apps. Charts, you can bring power bi tile here, you can bring pie chart. Lot of options available in power apps. That is why you should always connect power app with power business central. Okay, so I hope you got some clarification, you got some understanding about how to connect power apps with power business central, power apps with dynamics 365 business central. If you have any queries, if you want to learn power apps right from the beginning, you can just let me know. I can start teaching you what is power apps and how you can dynamically integrate with power business central. And if anything, if I feel like any other topic to be explained to you, even in power apps and power business central, I can definitely talk about this in the next video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.